All of us have leadership qualities within us. I want to inspire girls and women around the world, and that's what I've discovered from the program.
The Global Leadership Program actually gives you a lot of skill sets that cannot be taught in the classroom. You end up doing real-life challenges. They've been quite helpful in terms of building my confidence and public speaking skills, leadership skills. Skills that you gain from the Global Leadership Program, they are transferable to any industry. It would help you in your personal life as well.
The BCQ Ready online learning module was really cool because we got to interact with students from across the globe. One of my favourite bits about it was that it was really personal. Because it was online, you could do it in your own way, in your own space. Especially in business, you might be working here in Melbourne but working with a colleague who's over in Vietnam or somewhere else in the world. Understanding a simple thing as time zones and different work ethics in different cultures is something that you might take for granted but is actually really important.
My biggest takeaway from joining Global Leadership Program is that cultural intelligence starts with you. This program has helped me a lot on that journey of self-exploration, whereby I get exposed to other cultures.
I think for me that cultural intelligence is something that we're having to pay more attention to nowadays. It's all about being able to interact and engage with people. A lot of what I'm finding through work and life is about actually interacting with other people, building, developing and maintaining relationships. So I can absolutely attest to the fact that I would look very favourably of someone who had engaged in a program like Global Leadership Program.
It's not very often that you get an opportunity like this to be surrounded by people from so many different countries and yet have fun, increase your knowledge bank and expand your network. The amazing part is that it is recognized by the employers, so it comes handy. Yeah.
When it comes to applying for jobs, it's something that will elevate me from everyone else. It's also verified in the badge, so I can put that on my LinkedIn account and future employers will see that it's RMIT actually vouching for those skills that I've gained.
I would highly recommend the Global Leadership Programs to every student. It is a great opportunity to make new friends, make connections in the industry, and also sort of living that work-life experience while you're studying, so you get to know what you're actually going to be up against when you finish the degree.